EquipmentShare's cloud-connected keypads replace universal keys for your rented machines to control misuse. With T3, you can create unique access key codes for your rentals by various job sites. From T3's Fleet web app, select Company. Select Keypad Codes, and then create Keypad Code. Create a job site key code. Select Add Code. From the Configure tab, select Create Rule. This is where you'll set up the key code to apply to all rentals within your job site. Complete the Create Key Code Rule form. Find the key code you created. Select Job Site as the association, and then select your job site. Select Save once you are done. Now and in the future, any of your rentals that are assigned to the job site will automatically load with the access key code. When off-rented, the key code will be removed from the rentals.